To remove objects from photos on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, first of all, we're gonna go to the Photos app. Over here in this Photos app, we should be able to open the photo that we wish to customize, that we wish to edit. We're gonna tap on this pen button that we have at the bottom of the screen and then go to the AI editor. In here, you can find the AI eraser, and we need to agree to continue to that prompt that appears. And in here we can find three options: Smart Lasso, Paint Over, and Remove People. I'm gonna stick with Smart Lasso in this case. We can draw a shape around the subject that we want to get rid of, and once that object is highlighted, the phone is going to remove that object. Of course, there's a possibility that there will be something left after erasing a subject, like in my case you can see that there are some shades and so on, or some shadows actually, so we can try to select that area and hopefully it's going to be fixed afterwards. I think it looks slightly better, but we can probably keep going over here to make it look perfect. So it's up to you if you are satisfied, of course, or not. But once you are done with these changes, what you can do is you can tap on Done in the bottom right corner and then once again, and then we can save our photo. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.